Random photo or everything will go wrong in October Instagram change story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. In this video I will show you from where you can get this viral add your sticker and how you can do your own story with this viral sticker. So keep on watching. So first of all, you will have to go to your Instagram app, go to the search icon and search for Ali and John YTT. Once you get to this profile, you will have to go to October add yours at highlights. If you go to my uploads, to my stories, then you have to know that it will expire in 24 hours, so you may not find it there. So it's best to go at October add yours at highlights. Click on that. Now tap until you find your desired sticker, and I think it's at the end. So here we have it. Click on the add yours button. And if you are not able to click on the add yours button, or if the highlights are not loading, then I have some YouTube tutorials in the description box below, so you can check those if you have these problems. So now we just have to add a random photo from our gallery, which is in the left bottom corner. Right here. I will go with this one. Now you can place your sticker where you want to make it bigger or smaller by zooming in or zooming out on the sticker. You can do the same thing onto your photo. So now you can share the story with your friends if you're happy with it. So guys, if this video was useful, you can like it, you can subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. You can and comment down below if you have any problems. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.